The sale of electronic products have plummeted by more than 70% due to depreciated rupee and economic slowdown, while many of the small shopkeepers were hard hit and some of them have also shut down their businesses.
इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स आइटम जितने भी हैं वो सारे क्राइसिस में चल रहा है। सुबह से शाम तक आके बैठते हैं, कारोबार के सिलसिले में आके बैठते हैं यहाँ पे। बहुत से लोगों का रोजगार से वाबस्ता है इससे। आजकल शादियों का सीजन है, शादी का है, कोई परचेजिंग नहीं है किसी की। सेल तो बहुत डाउन है।
सेल बिल्कुल लो है, कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है। सुबह आते हैं, रात को ऐसे ही चले जाते हैं।
The prices of television sets increased around 60% after the imposition of 50% regulatory duty on imports.
The industry is passing through a very critical phase. You know the economic condition of the country, which has affected every segment of life and especially the local industry. If you look at the television sets production, a couple of years back the production was around 1 million. Now this year we are expecting around 350,000 sets.
Chinese brand television sets, which had grabbed market share away from the popular brands on account of their low retail prices, are also priced higher than before. Earlier, revenue of 2 billion was given to government, but now there is a 7% reduction. Pakistan Electronic Manufacturers Association was paying millions of rupees to the government, which has also affected the government revenue. All major components in electronics industry are imported. The main components used in television manufacturing are not produced within Pakistan, and the entire electronics industry is using the imported components. Following the decision of the government to increase import duties, prices of almost all electronic goods have skyrocketed, creating hue and cry for consumers and dealers alike.
Official import is almost nil, but smuggled goods abundantly available in the market. The increase in the rate of duty, the facility to for one transit trade. We had been suggesting to the government to implement or to impose sale tax at the retail stage. If this smuggling continues, the duties must come down.
20% additional custom duty was imposed on electronic products are now unaffordable for the lower class people. Smuggling of electronic products is also a problem. Over the years, smuggling has increased by Afghan Trade Transit, Green Channel and by air. Mohammad Shariq, Dawn News.